I expect that to talk about like in dreams and aspirations and all type of stuff like that. I expect bigger picture. You see me? From the name of my songs, I always try to guess like what he could be, like the artist could be talking about and shit like that. But yeah, man, it could be totally wrong. So, should we roll the vibes now? I jump right now though. Now all the vibes much on. This is Pablo, Pablo YG, Bad Juvie mixtape. This is a bigger picture. Let's get it. This is disrespectful. This damn commercial.
BK, have it your way.
So when I feel like hope is gone, and then I'm victory through the story, a bigger picture on the wall, that's a dream. Vision through the story.
Okay, this look like it's gonna be another deep track like Die. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, man? Says when I feel like hope is gone, you know what I'm saying? Hey, let's see what he talking about.
And that's a dream. That pain and baby, I meet some friend at the past, them lame and fuck. Them I take the shortcut, me take the lane, and no energy, them I draining, and that pain and baby. It never easy, man, spend all the faith in her. Dog remember one time we wear the same shoes. Yeah, me feel it, we have to pay with you. Game not a cheat code, better have to play the role.
Make some friends tonight. Some pastor lame and fuck. You know what I'm saying? Man say, hey, yo, dog, boy, yeah, man.
And that's the time I got tired. Days I get shot down, and I come off track. Can't play sweet just like record. I want a house on the hill and a jeep for mama.
Yeah, man, days I get shot, time I get shot, and you can't get off track. I will stay up on your meds and your grind down.
Give thanks to the Father, see my daddy and my dreams. I do it for mama. Spinners on my feet, so I strength me no shatter. Road to riches, I'm not come off for that. So when you feel like
like that on the road to riches, I mean, nah, come off for that. And a little reverb and everything. Oh, come on. That dog only meds pan the track them, man. For real. You right, Hazard. Them only meds pan the track them, man. He putting his songs them together for real.
Hope is gone, and there's no victory to the story. A bigger picture on the wall, and that's a dream. Them never did it when we face for me.
The man say, yo, when I feel like no hope is gone, you see me, the victory to the story, the hope is on the wall, and that's a dream. Like clear man say, yo, like man say, yo, when all hope is lost, you see me, and I feel like get on a victory to yourself, just, you know, just focus on the bigger picture, you see me, just focus on your dream and keep going. Like that dog I say in a song, man, but dog all like meds, man, yeah, it's song are bad. Yeah.
No, them still live lavish. Them safe and a scamming, then a big pocket. But we never panic, we left them chatting. Look how we miss college, now I tip Chanic. Big Benz in a big traffic.
Look how we miss college, now I tip Chanic. Big pens in that. I say, yo, even though you never got college, you see me, dog still find the moon lane and the moon way, you see me, to the bag. You see me, I'm doing dreams and I do him thing. You know what I'm saying?
I'm grateful, give thanks, I'm a patient. That pain and baby, I meet some friend at the past, them lame and fuck. Them I take the shortcut, me take the lane, and no energy, them I
say, man, say the pain and unbearable. Meet some friend in a passive pain, them lame and fuck. You see me, them take shortcut, me take your lane, you know. Man say, yeah, I'm stay up on the long way, you see me, stay up on the long road. And eventually it'll pay off. You see what I mean, my youth? Hey.
Draining of the pain and baby. It never easy, man. Spin all the faith in her. Dog remember one time we wear the same shoes. Yeah, me feel it. We have to pay with you. Game not a cheat code, better have to play the roles. And that's the time I got that.
I mean, my old man, some used to wear the same shows. You see me, I have to pay with those, my own. And this the game and I have a cheat code to it. You see me, you just have to do, you have to do, put in the work and tap pay off. You know what I'm saying? And that's a fact. You see me, and that's why we're on the road right now to 10K, guys. You see me, we're putting in that work, we're putting in that vibe. You don't know. We'll get latest reaction channel upon you, latest reactions and review upon YouTube. No Jambisco. You see me, so give me a like and give me a blow. You see me? And share the vibe and spread the news and help your boy go over here, man. We're going over here strong. But dog, Probably already mid span every track, dog. Dog doing his thing. Big man thing.
Dada, days I get shot down, and I come off track. Can't play sweet just like record. I want a house on the hill and a jeep for mama, dog. Give thanks to the father, see my daddy and my dreams. So do it for mama. Spinners on my feet, so I strength when I shot her. Road to riches, I'm gonna come off of that.
Yo, that part of Road to Riches, I mean, I come off of that. That song are bad. This getting added to my playlist, bro. Bigger picture. See me, this getting added to the playlist.
So when I feel like hope is gone and there's no victory to the story, pick a picture on the wall, and that's a G. Yeah, man. Major. You know if I come down in a bro. Not course.
Big up yourself, what's that? Say one Jambisco, big up yourself. You mean, man?
Say yo,
real
time
one,
and my badness come down, bro. And I feel like no victory and the dog just know say a bigger picture the door. And that is a dream, bro. Never give up on that, hear that. One badness, one YG program.
That's a dream. No, that song are bad, man. This I get added to the this added to the playlist, man. Yeah, big up picture on and all. Man, if you see my wall right now, I literally have like this word plan that I made, and they said, yo, follow your dreams. Great things take time, make every day count. You see me? So I understand this shit is like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man.
Make it cool.
I feel like everybody should have one of those.
With Ace.
You know what I'm saying? Have a little vision board, a little motivation, and then look upon it. You see me? Mine say, follow your dreams. Great things take time. Make every day count. And he also says, think outside the box. Excuses are for the weak, and hard work beats talent. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? You gotta put in that work, man. You know what I'm saying? Hard work beats talent every time.
Say Pro.
So
Anyone can recharge their cars, Ace.